Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy 11 prediction video. In this video, we will predict the Fantasy 11 for the match between Mumbai Indians and Royal Challengers Bangalore. Both the teams enjoy the comfort of the top 4 and will be looking to bounce back after the previous losses that they suffered in their games. The two teams have met 26 times in IPL before, with Mumbai Indians walking out victorious 16 times. Here is how the Fantasy 11 for this match looks like. Ishan Kishan. Ishan Kishan is proving to be a dependable top-order batsman for Mumbai Indians. He is playing some splendid knocks at the top of the order and is proving to be a match winner. His strike rate of 142.58 shows how well he strikes the ball in the power play overs. This makes him our first pick. Quinton de Kock. The South African wicketkeeper batsman Quinton de Kock has been in good touch this season. He strikes at 143.60 atop the order and is a destructive left-handed batsman. He will be looking to get Mumbai Indians off to a flying start this game with his power hitting. This makes him our captain and also the second pick of our 11. AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers has been one of the most important players for RCB for a long time now. Rightfully called the Mr. 360, he smashes the ball all over the park and he looks to be in great touch this season. He has a massive strike rate in the death overs and he can play really well under pressure. This makes him our vice captain and our third pick. Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya is a big hitting middle order batsman and has the potential to rain havoc on bowling attacks with his massive power hitting skills. His strike rate of over 180 bears the testimony for his big hitting skills. He can play some quick cameos to score those extra runs in the death overs and is a match winner with the bat. This makes him our fourth pick. Surya Kumar Yadav. Surya Kumar Yadav has always been a consistent batsman for the team that he has played for. His strike rate of 148.94 this season shows how well he is striking the ball in the middle overs. He will be a crucial player this match and he will be looking to get more runs to his name in this game. This also makes him our fifth pick. Virat Kohli. Also known as King Kohli, he has seen glimpses of his form and has been unstoppable ever since his innings of 90 against CSK. He will be looking to score more runs this game too, as he plays really well under pressure and knows when and how to accelerate in the death overs. Once he gets going, he becomes hard to stop and this makes him our sixth pick. Krunal Pandya. Krunal Pandya has proved to be an important all-rounder for Mumbai Indians in the recent past. His performance this season has been decent and he will be only looking to improve as he has the ability to strike the ball a long way, take wickets and also be a live fire on the field. This all-round performance of his and having the ability to win matches with all three abilities makes him our seventh pick. Chris Morris. Chris Morris showed a glimpse of what he is capable of in the games that he has played so far. His economy rate of just 5.74 this season is great and he is swinging the ball both the ways. He also looks to be in great rhythm. He can also strike the ball a long way and will thus be a player to be watched out for as he can be a match winner with both the bat and the ball. He is thus our eighth pick. Jasprit Bumrah. The Mumbai Indians speedster Jasprit Bumrah is showing exactly why people regard him so high. He has been excellent with the ball throughout this season. He has already picked up 17 wickets to his name and he also bowls brilliantly in the death overs. He will pose a threat to the brilliant batting order of Royal Challengers Bangalore in this match. This makes him our ninth pick. Trent Boult. The New Zealand speedster Trent Boult has been in tremendous form this season. He already has 16 wickets to his name so far, and he is becoming the go-to bowler for Mumbai Indians when they are in search of wickets. He is a lethal pace bowler and bowls at a brilliant line and length, and this does make him our 10th pick. Mohammad Siraj. Mohammad Siraj has shown promise in the games that he has played so far this season. He has picked up 6 wickets in 5 games and he looks to be in decent touch. He bowled brilliantly against Kolkata Knight Riders and his economy rate has also been decent this season. He will be looking to massively impact this game if given a chance with the ball. This makes him our final pick. These are the 11 players who make our Fantasy 11 for this game. Who are your favorite picks? Let us know down below.